Hey everyone, this is Jason Berman, and I'm going to do a screencast this evening about how to create an SSB, a site-specific browser for your favorite web applications. And this is really useful when you have web applications that you use frequently that you would prefer to use as a desktop application. And the benefits to this are many, but one of the main ones for me is keeping down the screen noise. So, I'm in my to-do list manager and I don't want to see, lots of other tabs. I don't want to see these toolbars. I don't want to see my bookmarks. So all of these things kind of get in the way of what my to-do manager is supposed to do, which is keep me focused on what's next. So you can use a site-specific browser to basically create this Cocoa desktop application that sits on your Mac and runs as an application. It's got a menu bar, it's got a separate dock icon, and it gives you logical separation from your other web browsing activity, which is very useful if you're using two screens or if you're using spaces. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. It's really easy, and I am going to get started. So we're going to go ahead and shrink our browser, and looks like I had some leftover stuff in here. Okay, and we're going to launch a little application called Fluid. And Fluid works on Apple's open source WebKit, and it creates a Cocoa desktop app, and it's very simple. Here's how you do it. First, you start by typing in your URL, which in this case is rememberthemilk.com. For those of you that haven't seen Remember the Milk or heard of it, it's just a really fantastic to-do list manager. There's all sorts of cool little grease monkey scripts that extend its usefulness. In any event, Fluid. You put your URL in here, you name your application, you decide where you want that application to reside, and then if you want, you can create custom applications, or you can create the website application, or I'm sorry, custom icons, or you can use the website favicon to create your icon. In this case, I just chose the quick and easy route. Go ahead and launch the application. So this is what it looks like as a Fluid app. And you'll notice here that I've got some shortcuts. This is actually a grease monkey script that I installed that is in user scripts. It's called our Remember the Milk shortcuts, and what this does is it actually gives you sort of a cheat sheet for how to move around and remember the milk. So a very helpful way to start learning how to use shortcuts and use your keyboard only. So in any event, this is already sitting in here because I've already installed this in my actual application. I'm just doing a demo right now. But once you get to this point, this is what it looks like. Okay, and it actually sits in here, and it's really simple and clean. You don't have all the browser stuff, and it's about half the size. So you'll notice that in my dock is now sitting this little icon here, cow, for Remember the Milk. So that's all you have to do. It's really simple. One thing to remember, when you first set this up, you're going to need to go into Preferences, go into your Advanced tab, and click Allow Browsing to Any URL, which will keep Safari from launching when you click on links inside this application. So, in any event, hope this helps. This is Fluid, and it's running Remember the Milk, and this is JB and Frisco out. Have a good day.